2024. Kayo ang magiging bahagi ng kabataang Pilipino para sa matatag na bagong Pilipinas.
A very warm round of applause, please. To our school's Division Superintendent, Dr. Carmela R. Tamayo, certifying, by the power vested in me as secondary school head teacher of Senior High School Department of Samar National School, I have the honor to present to you the candidates for graduation for school year 2023-2024. From the academic track, 128 Accountancy, Business and Management, 101 Science, 101 Science, Technology, Engineering and Mathematics, 343 Humanities and Social Sciences, and 305 General Academics. From Technical Vocational Livelihood track, 86 Home Economics, and 98 Information and Communications Technology, a total of 1,061 graduating students. Honors.
De los Santos General D. Boquete